Thank you for watching tonight. I'm Margot Gray. Kevin Pinnage is behind bars tonight without bond after police say he then drove more than 100 miles an hour right into a 17-year-old girl, killing her in Decatur. Not only is Pinnage charged with murder tonight, but we're also learning there could be others held responsible. WAFF 48's Nick Ballinger is live outside one of the places Pinnage visited that night. Nick, bartenders in Alabama have a responsibility by law to make sure patrons aren't overserved.
Margot, a spokesperson for the Alabama ABC board, says that is a very serious law that's taken very seriously. Now, during his bond hearing, it was revealed that Pinnage walked into this Buffalo Wild Wings, ordered 4 shots and 2 beers, and then he did that again 2 more times at 2 different bars. Now, local bartenders in the valley say it's on them to close the tabs and stop the pour. Just 11 days ago, 17-year-old Chloe Hastings lost her life after police say Kevin Pinnage drove drunk and killed her in a wreck on Beltline Road in Decatur. Huntsville attorney Hunter Garnett sees a long legal road ahead, not just for Pinnage.
The family of the young lady who was killed has a very strong civil case, not only against a drunk driver, but also against the establishments that overserved that man.
During a bond hearing Tuesday, it was revealed Pinnage visited 3 different bars that night, ordering 4 shots and 2 beers from each, 18 drinks. It's stated clearly by Alabama ABC board that bartenders can't serve anyone who looks intoxicated.
The bartender, the owner of the bar, the restaurant can all be held liable.
Bartenders in the valley say monitoring customers is one of the most important things they do.
Something that we do not take lightly, and it's not something we do half-heartedly. It's protection for them, but it's also protection for everyone else. We all have loved ones on the road.
Patrick Briscoe owns SIP in Huntsville and has been shaking and stirring for nearly 30 years.
There's the difference between a nightclub versus a sports bar versus a restaurant. The responsibility is always the same. Take care of the guests, but not over take care of the guests. We're looking out for their well-being as well.
But how can a bartender control what someone's had before starting a tap? Well, they can't. But Briscoe says the law is still the law.
We can only control what has happened in our bar. We're not going to contribute to the overserving, even if they've already been overserved. We pay attention to the guests from front to back.
It's the tricks of the trade that not only help keep customers safe, but keeps the lights on and the kegs flowing. Now, lawsuits haven't been filed against this establishment behind me or any of the other 2 businesses that Pinnage visited, but we will continue to stay on top of this story. Reporting live in Decatur, Nick Ballinger, 48 News, on your side.